Good afternoon, this is Kyle and David with Western Material Handling. Today we are test driving D20944. Super clean Genie GS3246. He's going to give us a quick demonstration real fast. Excellent treaded cushion tires. This is a slab style electric scissor lift. He will go 32 feet and the 46 stands for 46 inches wide. Platform height 32 and a working height of actually 38 feet. It's got reconditioned batteries, new PM service, and a brand new paint job. As you can see, it'll go up pretty darn tall. It's a 2006. Still climbing up there. This is a 24 volt system with an onboard charger. Just plug it in with a 110 volt electric extension cord. Pretty darn easy. This unit only has 875 hours for being a 2006 model. Pretty darn low. Very light use, always maintained. You can come check out this forklift in either stores, Denver or Fort Collins, or online at betterforklift.com. We appreciate your time for watching. Thank you much.